Alright, if you go into pre-infusion mode, you can hear the click in here. And if the switch gets activated too soon, it means that the manufacturer put this switch too far forward. And that does happen in a lot of cases. To do the fix on the Mara, you do need to remove the hex screws that are on the top. Torque screws. It's a T15 size. There's a whole bunch of them on top of the unit that need to be removed, and then 2 on each side on the panels. And then on the bottom there are flathead screws that you need to remove, and they're positioned, one here in the center, here, 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 and here. And then the back panel slides off. Now, to do this fix, you're going to need a 14 millimeter open end crescent wrench. Without scratching or marring the front panel, just go counterclockwise to loosen the switch. And before you even start, and I forgot to mention in the beginning, make sure you unplug the unit and the unit's cold. So you can see the switch can move back and forth. Okay, so the best thing to do is to bring it out as forward as possible. And you're going to push the switch in, but this is going to be too far in. You're going to push the switch in, and you're going to turn the nut. If it's to the back on the switch, it's going to be about 2 or 3 revolutions. Take a screwdriver, or if you can get your finger in there, and you're going to turn it clockwise. Okay, and there's a little washer there, and you're going to pull forward. When you come forward over here, you're going to put this nut back, tighten it up, and you're going to tighten it from the front. 14 millimeter open end crescent wrench, nice and gently so you don't scratch or mar the surface, and tighten it up. And then you can hear the click right there, it's not touching, and then you can go full on. So when you go here, you should be able to hear the switch. If you don't, that means you went too far back. I would suggest that you don't put the cover back on, keep the water tank in, test the machine, don't stick your fingers inside, and test to see if it works. Now, you also, if your grind is very fine, you may not get the pre-infusion pouring through the cup. And also you have to make sure that the system is filled with water, so run water through the group head before you make your espresso, because you may not have enough water in the system. Sometimes a little bit of evaporates, so that might be the other issue, might not be the switch. So if you're right here, it's not touching the switch. If it is and engaging, then this needs to be moved back. Thank you for watching.